a trust and safety solution platform. In here, IT Magics. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 AMD Graphics Driver. Enter the model number of your graphics card here. Select your graphics driver from here. Then click on Submit. Download this driver for your Windows 11 now. Now install your graphics driver on your computer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share.